Hi, Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows XP into a ProxMox Virtual Machine. Let's go. A quick note, you can follow all steps in this video tutorial at my GitHub page. But now, first, we are going to log into our ProxMox dashboard we've installed in the video shown in the upper right corner. Next, we have to provide ProxMox with the Windows XP ISO file. Navigate to a machine and choose ISO images in the menu. We are going to download that image from the following website. After we've downloaded the ISO file, we are going to upload it to our ProxMox machine as shown in the video. Second, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Give it a name. Select your uploaded ISO file. Be sure to select Microsoft Windows as your guest operating system. Also, choose XP as your version. Enable the Kemu agent for this machine. Next, give your machine a little more CPU power. Next, I'm going to give Windows XP 4 megs of memory.
Next.
Finally, click Finish. Start your virtual machine. Press Enter to install Windows now. F8 for I agree. C for create partition. Enter for create. Enter for install. Enter for format NTFS file system. Enter to reboot. Wait until the Windows XP wizard provides you with some options. Wait. Please. Click on the Details button in the Text Input Language section. Provide your name. Provide your product key. Provide your computer name. Provide your password. Select your time zone. Choose typical settings. Choose workgroup. Wait until we have a liftoff, and log into your newly installed vintage Windows XP. Change your screen resolution to the biggest value possible. Enable all desktop icons for easy access. Apply those changes. Now we are going to add this machine to our network. Go to your configuration panel and select Network and Internet Connections. Then select Network Connections. Select the gateway options. Next, give your computer a description. Set your workgroup name to Workgroup. Next, turn on file and printer sharing. Next. And finish the wizard. Right-click your connection and choose Properties. Go to the properties of your Internet protocol. In this tutorial, we will use the following values. Close this screen. You should be able to connect to the internet now. Let's see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Spiky out.